Hello, this is Angelo with another Prior in 5. Today, Scott and I wanted to go over a quick thing for the month of May. First thing, the hot topic in the industry, lead times. Obviously, Prior is doing our best to make sure we can get product out the door in that 8 working hour goal. We have run into some component shortages, raw materials, just lead times from rail yards across the country have kind of put us a little behind on a couple SKUs, but thankfully we are seeing nothing like we were last year. In fact, a handful of items are the only ones that are really impacted here. We are able to still ship a lot of our A items within that 8 working hours. One thing that we would ask of the reps, if there is a particular customer or order that is needing something with special attention, please reach out to us, either Scott or I, or the customer service team, and let us know. We may need to ship a partial and back order a line item or two. But thankfully, things are starting to turn. We are starting to see traction on the rail yards, getting product raw materials to Prior so we can continue to build and hope that we can continue to provide you and the customers everything that they need to finish out the year strong. Now we are going to launch a new product in June. The first part of June, we'll be launching our irrigation valve. This is a new product that was designed specifically for the Northwest, but we believe there are opportunities throughout the country. So later this month, we'll have a training. It'll be about 20-30-minute webinar. We'll go over features, benefits, and let you guys know how to sell this product. So keep your eyes open for that coming from our marketing department. And then we also want to just talk about websites. Your website, if you have Prior links, please make sure that those links are active and directing people to the right place. We've changed some stuff on our end within the last year or two. So some of those link destinations may have changed. If you have questions regarding the proper addresses to get people to move to the Prior website, please let our marketing department know. They're happy to help you. Make sure that those links are active and working properly. The last thing is the rep portal. As you know, we upload everything we can to that rep portal, so you have all the assets and everything you need to do your job. We did upload all the Ferguson DC and Wind Supply DC conversion forms. So those are all uploaded, and we will continue to upload data as it becomes available. If you need anything particular that is not on there, let us know. I'm going to turn it over to Scott. Have a great day.
All right. Thank you, Angelo. And everybody, glad to tell you, first of all, at time of recording, the Royals are in first place. Hot dang. Really like that. It should be a great summer. The next thing I'll tell you about, too, is our Hajoka and AD specials that just happened in April. We're having tremendous results. Thank you very much. Many of you guys reached out to those customers and told them, hey, take advantage of these double dip and triple dip rebate situations. And so they have, and we're having a tremendous first quarter with both Hajoka and AD. I can tell you AD is up about 26%, and Hajoka is amazingly at 57%. So just tremendous sales right there. The next thing I want to visit with you about is Ferguson. Let's keep the momentum going with Ferguson. They told us again, hey, we've got these co-op dollars. So have your regionals and team work with our commercial directors and our residential directors so we can form some of these promos and co-op events, whether it's a baseball game, soccer game, or any kind of sales contest they want to do. We have co-op funds to help take care of that. So let's make sure we're using that and taking care of that. The last thing I want to tell you about is a running change. And so forever, our ASSE our code approval for our C108 primarily just came from the vacuum breaker, because we use this ASSE 1011 vacuum breaker on the C108. It had this spring-loaded piece here and that. So forever, our C108 was not code approved, but the vacuum breaker was. We recently had that change. So now we're using this new style vacuum breaker that no longer has that black plastic piece on the inside, but now the whole valve is code approved, the ASSE 1019A. So it's listed and approved in every state. So please know that about that product, and that will be a running change. The new ones you're getting will have this style vacuum breaker, no longer the spring-loaded style. So saying that, You guys have had a tremendous first quarter. Keep up the great work. Angelo and I look forward to working with you more this year. And just like the Royals, stay in first place. We like it. Take care.